Hey guys, and welcome back to Bee's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me. As we are approaching Valentine's Day, we all want to impress our special one. So I am going to show you this starter which impresses my husband and my guests every single time I make it, and it's Dynamite Prawns. It's extremely easy, but it's absolutely delicious. Stay with me and let's get started. For this recipe, I am going to use the following ingredients. I have vegetable oil, corn flour, sweet chili sauce, sriracha sauce, mayonnaise, light soy sauce, smoked paprika, garlic granules, black pepper, Himalayan salt, white pepper, King Prawns, and egg. I will list all the ingredients including measurement in the description box below. I am now going to make the spicy mayo which I'll be using to coat the prawns. So in a bowl, I'm just adding mayonnaise. Next, I'll add sriracha sauce and sweet chili sauce. I'll mix everything together. I'll set this aside for later use. Also guys, if you like your spicy mayo very spicy, feel free to add more sriracha sauce. I am now going to add all my seasonings. Next, I'll mix everything together to ensure the prawns is well coated in the seasonings. And as you can see, the prawns is nicely seasoned. I'm now going to add the egg. I'll mix well. I'll set this aside for later use. And the reason why I'm adding the egg to the prawns is because I'm going to coat the prawns in corn flour and plain flour, ready for deep frying. Now time to make the coating for the prawns. So in my freezer bag, I've just added corn flour. Next, I will add plain flour. And to season the flour, I'm going to add the same seasonings which I used to season the prawns, with the exception of the soy sauce. As I've added all the seasonings, I'm just mixing everything together to ensure that the flour is well seasoned. Next, I'm going to add the prawns to the flour. And as I've added all the prawns to the flour, I'm just going to give the bag a good shake just to make sure that the prawns is well coated in the flour. And as you can see, the prawns is well coated in the flour. Now time to start deep frying. In a pot or a pan, add enough oil and allow the oil to come to heat before you add the prawns. My oil is hot. I'm going to add the prawns and I'm going to fry the prawns on medium to high heat for 3 minutes until it is golden brown. And 3 minutes later, the prawns is ready. I am just removing it from the pot, ready for coating. And they have this beautiful golden color to it, exactly what I'm looking for. I'm pouring the prawns in a bowl. Next, I'm going to add the sauce, and I will gently mix everything together to ensure the prawns is well covered in the spicy mayo. And as you can see, the prawns is covered in a spicy mayo. Serve immediately on a bed of lettuce and just serve it to your special one or your guests on any occasion and watch them devour this delicious recipe. In fact, they will ask you, how did you make it? I will finish it off by garnish it with some sesame seeds and some spring onions. And the Dynamite Prawns is ready to be served. As always, guys, thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video, comment below, subscribe to this channel, and click the notification bell, which will notify you every time I post a new video. Enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye.